Hello guys, welcome back to our channel High Tech Dudes.
Today we will show you 3 science experiments that you can do by yourself.
So let's begin. Let's begin. You need a glass, a coin, a piece of paper and a bottle of water. So now keep the glass over the coin. Now pour some water into the glass. Now the coin is not visible. It disappeared. Now place the paper above the coin and keep the glass above them. Now it's not visible. This happens because of refraction. When the light bounces off an object, it reaches our eyes and we see the object. As light travels through the sides of the glass and the water, it's refracted and never reaches our eyes, which makes the coin seems to be disappeared.
Welcome to the second experiment. So you will need a glass bottle. So we clean this up. Next thing, you need a tool or you could use a cloth. We use this thing to catch the bottle so that the temperature of the bottle does not affect our hands. It's nice and smooth. The next thing we need is some cold water. We added some color, blue color, so that it is more visible for you guys. The next thing we need is some hot water. So the next thing we need is some ice cubes. I took 3 of them. So these are the materials required. So let's begin. Now pour the hot water into the glass bottle. So do not worry if the water goes out of the bottle, because the main thing we want to do is to increase the temperature inside the bottle. So make sure that you do this in a safe place. Your hand could burn. So shake the bottle and pour the water. Now immediately keep the bottle head first into the cold water and keep some ice cubes on top of the bottle. Now make sure to hold this position in place for a few seconds. Now you can see water entering into the bottle through the head of the bottle. Now you could also rub one ice cube through the sides of the bottle. Now after some time you can see that the bottle is half filled. Now why does this happen? When we pour hot water, we raise the temperature of air inside the bottle. When we place this bottle upside down, the warm air inside the bottle is trapped. When we place the ice cubes on top of the bottle, the air cools down and its volume is reduced, and hence the water is sucked up to take its place. So now we'll move on to the next experiment.
Let's begin. The things you need for this experiment are 2 candles. First, light the unlit candle and then blow the other. Now, light the candle without even touching its nib. I will show it again. See. When you light a candle, the heat from the flame vaporizes the candle wax. When you blow the candle out, the vaporized wax briefly remains in the air. If you apply a heat source quickly enough, you can ignite the wax and use that reaction to relight the candle.
Hope you liked the video. So we will see you in our next video. Until then, bye.